Okay, we're going to continue on with our notes. All right, so we've got our VSEPR practice sheet, and hopefully you've done all your NASs at this point, and we're working on Lewis diagrams. And let's go to our next example. This is our third example, even though it says second. This is our third example, and we've got this sulfur trioxide right here. Okay, so I'm going to scoot this up, and let's go. Okay, so looking at our NAS, we've got sulfur, who's going to be in the center, and I'm going to attach 3 oxygen. Okay, and let's remember we're sharing 6 here. But why is it saying sharing 8? I can't just go and attach another oxygen. Then that is no longer sulfur trioxide. This should say third. So what you have to do is you're going to have to double bond one side. Okay, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur can all double or triple bond. CNOPS. That's how you remember it. So write that down. CNOPS. These elements can double or triple bond. So I'm going to pick one of these, oxygen, and I'm going to double bond on one side. So now instead of sharing 6, I am sharing 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and then go back to these numbers. All right, so I need a total of 24. Well, again, this one needs 8. Both the sulfur and all the oxygen need 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But look at this guy. Since we double bonded, he's got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he only gets 2 unshared pairs, unlike these who get 3 unshared pairs. Okay, so anytime this number does not match the total you need to attach, that's your indication you need to double bond, and then sometimes we will triple bond, and we can talk about that later. All right, so then there's also these things called resonance structures. So let's write this down. Resonance structure is the ability to draw 2 or more different electron dot notations that obey the octet rule. So notice we double bonded here. But if you drew this, or you drew this, these would be correct also. So any way you draw these is the correct structure. Of course, you would have all your unshared pairs on there as well. But anytime you're double bonding, it doesn't matter which one you put the double bond on. Any of these will be correct. Okay? So we've done this. There's our indication. One side needs to double bond. All right, so when you're going to draw your Lewis structures, pay attention to the notes that I'm giving you. Notice number 10 over here, you know, that one doesn't say double bond. Maybe one of these is double bond. One of these is going to have to double bond. And then this nitrogen, we can talk about nitrogen later. All right, so finish drawing all your Lewis diagrams and let me know if you have any questions about those.